Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be another Apple Watch accessory. I picked myself up the 44mm black leather loop. I think this is going to go really well with the Series 6 space gray watch that I currently have on. It's just going to be a nice change, you know? I have a lot of Nike bands and the silicone bands which look pretty sporty, and I've been wanting something that will look a little more classy, a little fancier. So that's why I picked this guy up, so I can wear it out to dinner or like to work or something. And I'm a big fan of black leather. That's what I have on my phone, what I have on my AirPods. So this will keep the theme going. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so here is the box, classic Apple design. Just a picture of the watch on the top of the box there with plain white. There is the back, so it says leather loop with the magnetic closure. Natural leather, a little pull tab here. Alright, let's take it out of the box. So you just get some paperwork and the enclosure that the band goes in. Some instructions on how to put it on. And there is the band. That looks really good. It comes in small, medium, and large, but I got it in the medium size. So we'll take this out and then put it on my actual watch and see kind of how it looks. Currently I have on the Nike sport band with the holes. I think it looks pretty good, but let's see what this guy looks like with the leather. I think that looks pretty good. It's a nice look with space gray to have the black leather. Quality looks really good as well. On the back it will tell you the size, which mine is medium, and then it tells you the watch size as well, which is 44. So just make sure if you pick this up, it's on the back so you don't see it on the front. I think that looks really good, really clean. All right, let's try it on. So you basically just pull it through here. So it is magnetized, so you just pick a spot that's comfortable, drop it down, it clicks on. It's really secure, like it doesn't slide off or anything. It looks really good, I think, a little more professional. It's really comfortable and lightweight too. And it is a nice change from the sport band that I've been using for the past maybe 3 or 4 years. Super happy with the band so far. Now the other band that I'm planning on getting is the graphite stainless steel. Just have another option in the watch band arsenal, but this one is definitely top 3 favorite bands that are out there in my opinion. Just looks really good, really clean, and it matches all of my other stuff because I have a lot of black leather accessories for my tech. To take it off, you just take the magnet off, pull this through. Comes right off the wrist, and then there you go. Really nice look for the watch, and I'm a big fan of the kind of like layered look to the leather. These kind of rectangles that kind of go down the whole way versus just solid leather. I think this adds a little bit more character. So guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing and review of the leather band for the Apple Watch. Like I said, this is one of my favorite bands that Apple has made for the watches, and I'm super happy to finally have it because I've been literally using sport bands for like 4 years, and this is my first more like fancy watch band, and I'm super happy that it was the black leather as the first one because I think this looks really good. So guys, leave a comment down below of what you think about the watch band and if you are going to pick it up yourself. Highly recommend it. Like I said, it's really lightweight, it looks really good, it's leather, and you can never go wrong with black on black. So guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.